Every day, we make hundreds of decisions without even realizing it. Some are small, some shape our future, but one decision quietly influences almost every part of our lives. What we choose to eat. Walk through any grocery store, and you'll find thousands of different foods lining the shelves. Bright fruits, fresh vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, fish, dairy products. Each one offers something different, yet only a small number continue to attract the attention of nutrition scientists year after year. Not because they're expensive, not because they're trendy, but because research continues to uncover fascinating details about the nutrients and natural compounds they contain. Today, we're exploring 7 everyday foods that scientists believe deserve far more attention. 7 foods scientists wish more people ate. Before we begin, let's make one thing clear. There is no such thing as a miracle food. No single fruit, vegetable, spice, or supplement can instantly transform your health. The strongest scientific evidence continues to point toward something much simpler: a balanced diet, regular physical activity, quality sleep, stress management, and consistency over many years. The foods you're about to see are not magic. Instead, they're foods researchers continue to investigate because of the nutrients they naturally provide and the role they may play as part of an overall healthy lifestyle. Healthy habits always come first. Our first food is surprisingly small. In fact, you could fit dozens of them into the palm of your hand. Blueberries. These tiny berries have become one of the most studied fruits in modern nutrition. At first glance, they don't seem extraordinary. They're soft, sweet, easy to eat, but their deep blue color tells an interesting scientific story. That color comes from naturally occurring pigments called anthocyanins. Anthocyanins belong to a larger family of plant compounds known as flavonoids. For years, researchers have investigated how diets rich in flavonoid-containing foods may support overall health. Blueberries have become one of the most recognized examples because they naturally contain high levels of these compounds. Blueberries, rich in anthocyanins. Blueberries are more than just colorful fruit. They're also a source of vitamin C, vitamin K, manganese, fiber, and many other naturally occurring plant nutrients. One reason researchers appreciate blueberries is that they're incredibly easy to include in everyday meals. Some people enjoy them fresh. Others add them to oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, or whole grain cereals. Frozen blueberries are also widely available, making them convenient throughout the year. Rather than relying on expensive products, many nutrition experts encourage building healthy eating habits around simple, whole foods that are easy to enjoy consistently. Blueberries fit naturally into that approach. Easy, nutritious, delicious. Of course, blueberries are only one piece of the puzzle. No single fruit can provide everything your body needs. Health is built from variety. Different colors, different nutrients, different foods working together over time. And that brings us to our second food, a leafy green that's been on dinner tables for generations, yet continues to surprise researchers with its impressive nutritional profile. Spinach. Next food: leafy green spinach. For centuries, spinach has been recognized as one of nature's most nutrient-dense leafy greens. Its vibrant green leaves are packed with vitamins, minerals, and naturally occurring plant compounds that have attracted scientific interest for decades. Originally cultivated in ancient Persia before spreading across Asia and Europe, spinach eventually became a staple ingredient in kitchens around the world. Today, researchers continue studying spinach not because it's rare or expensive, but because it provides an impressive combination of nutrients in a relatively low-calorie food. Sometimes, the simplest foods turn out to be the most remarkable. Spinach, one of the world's most nutritious leafy greens. One reason scientists appreciate spinach is its remarkable nutritional diversity. Spinach naturally contains vitamin K, vitamin A, folate, vitamin C, magnesium, potassium, iron, and dietary fiber. It also provides plant pigments such as lutein and zeaxanthin, compounds that researchers continue investigating because of their role in eye health and overall nutrition. Rather than focusing on a single nutrient, nutrition scientists often emphasize how these vitamins and minerals work together inside a balanced diet. This combination is what makes spinach stand out among many vegetables. Naturally contains checkmark vitamin K, checkmark vitamin A, checkmark folate, checkmark iron, checkmark lutein, checkmark fiber. One of spinach's greatest advantages is how easy it is to include in everyday meals. Fresh spinach can be used in salads for a crisp, refreshing texture. It can be lightly sautéed with garlic and olive oil, blended into smoothies, added to soups, mixed into omelets, or served as a side dish alongside grilled fish or chicken. Because spinach has a mild flavor, it pairs well with many different foods, making it one of the easiest vegetables to enjoy on a regular basis. Researchers often encourage variety, and spinach fits naturally into that recommendation. Simple ways to enjoy spinach green salad: salad cooking omelette bowl with spoon, soup cup with straw, smoothies fork and knife with plate, side dish. If spinach represents the power of plants, our next food comes from the sea. Salmon has long been recognized as one of the most nutritious fish available. Found in the cold waters of the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, salmon has been an important food source for countless coastal communities throughout history. Today, researchers continue studying salmon because it naturally provides high-quality protein, vitamin D, selenium, vitamin B12, and one nutrient that receives enormous scientific attention: omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats have become one of the most researched nutrients in modern nutrition science. Salmon, rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Scientists continue investigating omega-3 fatty acids because they play important roles in normal body functions. Research suggests that including foods naturally rich in omega-3s as part of a balanced diet may support overall health. Salmon is also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. It can be grilled, baked, steamed, or added to salads and grain bowls. Combined with vegetables like spinach and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, it creates a meal that is both simple and nutrient-rich. Sometimes healthy eating isn't about complicated recipes. It's about choosing wholesome foods and preparing them in ways that fit your everyday life. Whole foods, balanced nutrition, healthy habits. At first glance, walnuts may not seem particularly impressive. They're small, wrinkled, and often overlooked in the grocery store. But inside every walnut is an incredible package of nutrients that has captured the attention of nutrition scientists for decades. Interestingly, many people notice that a walnut looks surprisingly similar to the human brain. While this resemblance is simply a coincidence, it has helped make walnuts one of the most recognizable nuts in the world. Researchers are interested in walnuts not because of how they look, but because of what they naturally contain. Walnuts. Small nut, big nutrition. Walnuts naturally provide healthy fats, plant protein, dietary fiber, magnesium, copper, manganese, and one nutrient that researchers often discuss: alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA. ALA is a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid found naturally in foods such as walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. Scientists continue investigating how plant-based omega-3s contribute to overall nutrition as part of a varied and balanced diet. Rather than focusing on one nutrient alone, researchers emphasize the importance of whole foods that provide many beneficial compounds together. Naturally contains checkmark healthy fats, checkmark plant protein, checkmark fiber, checkmark plant omega-3, ALA. Walnuts are incredibly easy to include in everyday meals. Some people enjoy a small handful as a snack. Others sprinkle chopped walnuts over salads, oatmeal, yogurt, or roasted vegetables. They also pair well with fruit, cheese, and whole grains. Because walnuts are energy-dense, many nutrition professionals recommend enjoying them in moderate portions as part of a balanced eating pattern. Simple choices like these can make healthy eating both enjoyable and sustainable. Simple ways to enjoy walnuts: peanut snack bowl with spoon, oatmeal green salad, salad strawberry fruit bowl. Our next food has filled kitchens with its unmistakable aroma for thousands of years. Garlic, loved by chefs, used in countless traditional recipes, and studied by scientists around the world. Garlic belongs to the allium family, alongside onions, leeks, and chives. When a fresh garlic clove is chopped or crushed, something remarkable happens. Natural compounds inside the garlic begin reacting with oxygen, producing a sulfur-containing compound called allicin. This is one of the reasons garlic has attracted scientific attention for so many years. Garlic naturally forms allicin. Today, garlic is one of the most widely consumed ingredients on Earth. It can be roasted until soft and sweet, lightly sautéed with vegetables, added to soups, mixed into pasta, combined with olive oil, or used to season fish, chicken, and countless other dishes. Researchers continue studying garlic because of its naturally occurring sulfur compounds and how they fit into broader patterns of healthy eating. While no single ingredient can replace a balanced lifestyle, foods like garlic remind us that some of the most valuable ingredients have been part of everyday cooking for generations. And we're not finished yet. Our next food isn't a vegetable, a nut, or a fish. It's a golden liquid that has become one of the defining ingredients of one of the world's healthiest eating patterns. Extra virgin olive oil. Next food, olive extra virgin olive oil. For thousands of years, one golden liquid has been an essential part of cultures around the Mediterranean. Extra virgin olive oil. Made from freshly pressed olives, this unique oil has become one of the most recognized ingredients in Mediterranean cuisine. But olive oil is more than just a cooking ingredient. Scientists have spent decades studying it because of its unique combination of healthy fats and naturally occurring plant compounds. From ancient civilizations to modern laboratories, olive oil continues to connect traditional knowledge with scientific research. Extra virgin olive oil, a golden tradition. One of the main reasons researchers study olive oil is because it contains monounsaturated fats and natural compounds called polyphenols. Polyphenols are plant compounds that have attracted scientific interest because of their antioxidant properties. Research on Mediterranean-style eating patterns has also increased interest in olive oil as one component of a broader dietary approach. However, scientists emphasize that the benefits of a dietary pattern come from the combination of many foods working together. Vegetables, fruits, whole grains, fish, nuts, and healthy oils. Mediterranean eating pattern, a combination of whole foods. Extra virgin olive oil is surprisingly versatile. It can be used as a salad dressing, a finishing oil over cooked vegetables, a cooking ingredient, or simply enjoyed with whole grain bread. Its flavor can range from mild and smooth to bold and peppery, depending on the variety of olives and production methods. This combination of flavor, tradition, and nutritional interest has made olive oil one of the most valued foods in the world. Simple ingredient, powerful tradition. Our final food may surprise many people. Chocolate, but not just any chocolate. Dark chocolate made with a higher percentage of cocoa has become a fascinating subject in nutrition research. The story begins with the cocoa bean. For centuries, civilizations in Central and South America valued cocoa for its unique flavor and cultural importance. Today, scientists study cocoa because it naturally contains compounds called flavonoids. Dark chocolate, the science behind cocoa. Cocoa flavonols are one of the reasons researchers continue exploring dark chocolate. Studies have investigated these naturally occurring compounds and their relationship with different aspects of human health. However, it's important to understand that not all chocolate products are the same. Many commercial chocolates contain added sugar and other ingredients. For those who enjoy dark chocolate, choosing products with higher cocoa content and enjoying them in moderation is often emphasized by nutrition experts. The key is balance. Balance is the key. Today, we explored 7 foods that continue to capture the attention of scientists around the world. Blueberries, spinach, salmon, walnuts, garlic, extra virgin olive oil, and dark chocolate. Each one tells a different story. Some come from the ocean, some from forests and farms, some from ancient traditions, but they all share one thing. They are examples of how everyday foods can contain fascinating natural compounds that science continues to explore. The most important lesson is not to search for one perfect food. Instead, focus on variety. Choose different colors. Eat different types of whole foods. Build habits that can last for years. Because true health is not created by one meal. It is created by thousands of small choices repeated over time. Nature provides the ingredients. Science helps us understand them. And our daily choices determine how we use them. Science, nature, healthy living. If you enjoyed this journey through the science of food, subscribe for more videos exploring nutrition, nature, and the fascinating world of health science. And tell us in the comments, which food surprised you the most?